Hi friends, welcome back to this session which includes linear equation in two variables. So let's start right away. So hearing the word equation, comma, sorry, equation, a lot of people get terrified by the word equation, but that's not the case. That need not be the case every time. So let's directly start off. So you might be knowing, as per you learned in your 8th standard, that the equations can be divided into basically four parts at your level based on their degree. So what does the sorry so what does a degree mean? Degree is nothing but the power, the exponent to which the variable is raised. The exponent to which the variable is raised. Right? So the degree of x raised to the power 2 is 2. Degree of x raised to the power 3 is 3. So you might be confused what the names for these might be. So the name for an equation with degree 1, I'll, I'll abbreviate it, or let's write it. Degree 1 is named as linear equation. Degree 2 is named as quadratic. It's u, quadratic equation. Then with degree 3 is known as cubic equation. With degree 4 is known as bi by quadratic equation, right? So I'll give you a few examples and make you understand what this is. So a linear equation always has to be of the form ax plus b, where a and b a is a coefficient. In this, a is a coefficient, a coefficient, and b is a constant, right? B is a constant. Then in the second quadratic equation, it has to be of the form ax square, sorry, ax square plus bx plus c, where a and b are coefficients, coefficients, right? Coefficients. Then in this cubic equation, it has to be of the form, and in this c is a constant, right? In the quadratic equation, x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a b and c are coefficients, right? In this biquadratic equation, it has to be of the form ax raised to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, right? So here in this equation, a, b, c and d are coefficients, and e is the what do we say? E is the constant, right? So let's continue further. In this, you can also divide the equation based on the number of variables that they have. Sorry, it's the same color. based on the number of equations that number of variables that they have, number of variables. So based on the number of variables, we can divide variables based on the number of variables. Let me change the color a bit. Number of variables. So so an equation with one variable is known as equation in one variable. Equation in one variable. And examples are uh, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here there is only one variable, that is x, right? So second is equation in two variables, that is, say 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. In this there are two variables, x and y. So another has to be equation in three variables, which has say 3x plus 2y plus say z is equal to 0. Here x, y, z, all three are different variables, right? Different variables. You cannot use this as an equation in two variables, because only one variable is used, that is x. Here it has to be in three variables or two variables, three different or two different variables, right? And another condition for let's say for a number to be a linear equation, has to be that the variable should only be an integer. So let me change the color a bit, say for example. So the yes so the equation cannot be of the form say 3 root x plus 2 is equal to 0. It has to be of the form 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, because x always has to be a integer, right? So thank you for watching and please subscribe.